Do you want to create an amazing slide text effect like this one in Canva? If your answer is yes, please watch full video and don't skip any part because it is a step-by-step tutorial and this is very short video. It won't take much time. Hey friends, this is Varun and you're watching Creators Anchor where I upload videos that will help you to create amazing content. So let's start without any further ado. So first I will write sliced text here using the elements, and I will not use text this one. To write, just go to element tab and go to search bar and write S and press enter. It will bring many elements, text elements here. You can choose any. I will select this bold one and resize it like this. Now again go to search bar and type L, press enter, select L, resize it. You can use this pink line to exactly match the size and change its color to pink. Change S color also to pink. I think this will look good here. SL, and next letter is I. Type I, enter. You can see it's not free here. Only Canva Pro user use this without watermark, but you can use this with watermark. Just click on it and resize it. If you want Canva Pro for 30-day free, you can use the link in the description to sign up for free. Now change the color to pink also, and do this with other letter too. I will fast forward this video to save your time. Now you can see sliced is written here. Just resize it, select all like this and resize like this. Move it here in center. Now make a copy of all. You can do this by selecting all the letters like this and click here, this duplicate icon. It will make a duplicate copy of that and align with this. Now what I'm going to do is I will crop all the letters to half like this. Select S, click on crop. Now yeah, crop from the below like this and done. Now again click on the below text and crop from the above like this. You can see it seems like S is in two parts. Now do the same with others later too. But first, to make it easy, press Shift plus R to enable this ruler. Now click the above ruler and drag it to the below and place it to the middle of the S letter like this. Now you can align other letters with the help of this line. You can remove this ruler line. Just click on the ruler line and drag it to the top. Now select all the below text and move it little bit to left with the help of arrow button like this. Now upload line shadow png. Let me show you first. Go to upload and this one. You can download png image, this png image for free. I made this shadow png with the help of Photoshop. Check the link in the description below to download this png. Just click on that and crop this image to half. Click here on crop and done. Now place it here in the middle and resize it like this. Let me Now your sliced text effect is ready. Isn't this cool? Let me know in the comment section below. Just select all the letters and this PNG image and tilted little bit like this and it will. So congratulations, finally you learned a new effect and something about ruler also. Ruler is very helpful when you design a complex designs. Hope you like this slide text effect. If you like this, please do like and comment on this video. It will help me to know whether you like this video or not. And subscribe to this channel and don't forget to press the bell notification icon. I will upload more designing and editing tutorials. That's it for the today's video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.